Hey you guys, it's your girl Maura, and you already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl, okay, for another video. We back up in this thing. All right, you guys, so I'm excited about this video, just like I'm excited about all my videos. My lash beginner tips and advice video got a lot of love, and it also brought about a lot of questions. And even though I am still fairly new to the business, I have grown, my skills have grown, everything's just evolved and stuff has been great. Before we get into that, I want to tell you guys to make sure that you like this video, make sure you leave me tons of comments, and also subscribe if you're not already. And of course, you gotta hit that bell to make sure you don't miss any of my videos. So I got a lot of questions after that lash beginner artist tips and advice video, and I wanted to just kind of do an updated video and also show you guys some of the things that I use when it comes to what lashes I use, what glue I use, the tweezers, all that good stuff. Because there are some pretty good affordable things out there that you don't necessarily have to break the bank for, but will still give you really good quality work. It's not really what you use, it's how you use it. And I think technique is one of the biggest key factors when it comes to this business and your work, pretty much. I am just so warmed because a lot of people were like, oh my God, you just sparked me to give it a try, or oh my gosh, you just inspired me to do this, or whatever, so have you. And I'm just, I just have this warm feeling in my heart because sometimes we live in our own fear, and sometimes you just have to get out and do it, or at least try it, and that way you can make a deciding factor like, okay, this is for me or it's not for me. So for all you guys who decided to go for it and give it a try, go take a class or go to school, whatever, kudos, big ups to you, and good luck to you. So without further ado, I do want to make this a pretty quick video. That way you guys aren't like strung along or anything. But the first thing I want to show you guys are the tweezers that I use. I'm going to show you two different sets, and I'm also going to make sure that I insert pictures. I'm going to show you guys my order. That way you guys know exactly what I got. But the first pair here, and it's only one like piece of the trio that I got. These are Borboleta tweezers, okay? Can you guys see that? Borboleta, these are the number 133s. I also had, I have another tweezer. I just don't have it on me right now because they're actually at the spa that I rent. So I apologize about that, but I am gonna make sure that I put the pictures in right now of the tweezers that I started out using when I first started doing my lash clients. I have another pair of these tweezers that I ordered off of Amazon. I always like being just different and unique, and I know that the rainbow thing is becoming like more and more popular, but I have these as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert where I got these from. These are from Amazon, and it was a pack of 5 tweezers. So 5 tweezers actually came in this. I actually have another pair. So these are 2 of the 5 that I got in that in my package that I ordered from Amazon. So this is a volume tweezer, and this can be used for several different things. But nonetheless, there is 3 more. So go ahead and take a look at that. In my opinion, the rainbow tweezers were definitely affordable, and honestly, I love them. Again, I don't think it's what you use, I think it's how you use it, and I feel like I have mastered just my grip. I've mastered my comfortability when using the tools, and so I really feel like I could use whatever and be okay. I love those, and they have been a great addition to my lash kit. I know that a lot of people like to talk about, oh, these are great for volume, or these are great for this and that, but honestly, I wish I had the tweezers with me right now, but I really use this one certain style of tweezer for like every set I do, whether it's classic, hybrid, volume. and it gets the job done. And again, it's because I know my tool, I'm comfortable with it in my hand, and I know what I'm doing, or I have that comfort and that confidence, and I just know how to work with the tool. Always just see what you like better and go from there. Don't always try to like go with what everyone else is doing or the next best thing that they're trying to sell. Sometimes you can just get away with using what you had from the beginning. So I will talk about that maybe in another video of mine, how I utilize the same tweezer for each different style. If you guys want to see that video, comment and let me know, and I will definitely work on that for you guys. So the next thing that I wanted to share with you guys is the actual brand of lash glue that I use right now. Again, I am all about being cost efficient, but also delivering really, really good quality work. I kid you not, I have had the best retention and everything with this Stacy Lash Glue. And again, this is from Amazon as well. I love this stuff. When you get the package, it tells you what the humidity level should be, what the temperature should be, all of that. This stuff is amazing. I have some clients who can come to me once a month because their lashes just stay on so well with this. I've had the best retention, application, just everything with this, and it dries in like 1 to 2 seconds. The fumes, yes, they can be a little crazy, but once I'm done, I just kind of use my fan or the mister, and it kind of alleviates that. If you're looking for a really good glue that is not going to break the bank, I suggest this. I know, again, everybody has their issue with ordering things off of Amazon and stuff, but this is a legit company. They have a website. They have professional products. I've used Borboleta glue. I've used Lash Affair glue. I've used Bella Lash glue, and I keep going back to this. Like, I keep grabbing this guy. So that's just my testimony. I don't know if you guys have used it. If you have, let me know. Let me know how you like it in comparison to other ones. Or if you have a glue that you like, comment that too and let me know, because I can always try it out. I know one glue that I do want to try out is the Ruthie Bell, the dark matter glue. I've heard so many things about that. It's just so hard to find, and it's expensive as hell. So I just don't know how beginners would feel trying to obtain that glue, but this is such a good glue. So that's the glue that I use. Okay, next I'm gonna talk about this here. So this is my nano mister. You put water in here and it mists it out. You open it like that and it's a very fine light mist. I love using this all throughout my application. I find that it helps with retention a lot better. And this is the Borboleta one. I do have another one that was given to me from another lash artist, which I use way more than this one, but it's the same thing, same concept. But this came with my lash clip. Because I did go to lash clip. Oh my god. Y'all did not hear that. I am so sorry. Talking about clips. Okay. This did come in my lash kit at school because I went to esthetician school. So you know, just like my tweezers came with my kit, that's how I got those. So if you go to school 9 times out of 10 and you take like the lash course within your beauty school, you should get a kit and have a lot of these things. But I'm telling you guys, Amazon is where it's at. So the next thing that I want to share with you guys is the actual lashes that I use. I first started out using the Borboleta lashes. And that's because, again, they came in my kit with school. They're okay. I personally didn't like them because they were like stiff as hell. I don't really like that plasticky feel. One day I got online and I actually ordered a couple of the 0.15s for classic lashes from this company here. It's called World Beauty Lashes. I really love these lashes. I get them in the flat ellipse lashes. So they're the flat lashes that kind of make the application a little easier. I definitely suggest for beginners starting out, get a flat lash. It's so much easier to place. I feel like they hold better and the retention is better as well, as opposed to trying to struggle with getting the lash to stick to the natural lash because of that round base. These are flatter and have a small little ridge on the inside. So bomb. I really suggest that you guys try the flat lashes for your classics, and it also helps them give like a nice full look to the classic sets. The next company that I absolutely love, 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 and so affordable, this company is called B&Q. I am in love. So they have two different packagings, and it just depends on what you're doing and what you're using. But the pink packages are self-flowering volume lashes. So they're like the blooming lashes that make volume fans so much easier to create and make. Staple item, you guys. I cannot tell you how much easier these have made my life when it comes to the volumes, okay? Like, oh my gosh. I order them in 0.07s and 0.03s. I first started out with just the regular 0.07s. They're not flat or anything, but I was using these at first, and I found making the fans not difficult, but after giving these a try, these are just here for backup. This company also provides private labeling if you do want to do that. Again, they do offer that, and their lashes are actually high quality. And again, the price is amazing. The sets that I do look amazing. See how my work has evolved. So B&Q and World Beauty Lashes, very affordable, right off Amazon. You can get them next day if you're a Prime member. Like, just bomb. And I am gonna show you guys what tape I like to use. I don't have it on me right now, but I'm gonna insert a picture. That way you guys can see the tape that I use to tape down the bottom lashes. But yeah, you guys, those are the things that I have been using and started out with, and they are still doing me so much justice. And so I wanted to just update you guys with that and share those things, because I know that this is a growing industry. I know that there's so many of you guys aspiring to be lash artists now. And I just want you guys to know that you don't have to go broke with your supply. So just work on you, work on your technique as an artist, work on perfecting placement. It's those little things that make the world of a difference when it comes to retention, how long the lashes are lasting, and just the overall health of your client's lashes. Technique is the main thing. I've been able to make do with a lot of this stuff, you know. There's so many great brands that are just raved about right now, like Lashbox LA and, you know, just all them other people. I'm not about to do that when I know that I can do some great damage with these and give people bomb sets with these. I haven't even tried anything higher end, and I just feel like I don't have to. However, that is the beauty of this. You guys, these things are at your leisure, at your discretion, at an affordable price. And if you do want to give something else a try, then by all means, go ahead and give it a try. This is just what I've been using and what has worked for me. And I'm telling you, bomb, 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 okay? So that is the video, but I want to close out with just really encouraging words and advice, you guys. When you're starting out, especially if you're trying to be your own boss, get your own business going, it can be hard. It can be very difficult, and it can be frustrating. It is very easy to get down and begin to have this like negative aura when it comes to this self-built, self-proclaimed greatness that you're trying to build, your empire, you know. And I want you guys to just keep going, keep pushing, keep pushing. This is my testimony right now. If you guys saw my beginner lash advice tips and stuff, you guys know I told myself I'm gonna build my clientele while I'm in school. I don't want to have to worry about that when I'm done. I'm gonna make sure that I'm just doing the best I can do, and when I'm done, I'm gonna be my own boss. You guys, I am my own boss. I am renting at a spa. I'm there 5 out of 7 days a week. My bills are getting paid. Like, you guys, oh, Jesus. Okay. As long as you are persistent, and if it's something you really want, you have to be that factor that makes it happen. Do not rely on anyone else. Do not rely on somebody to give you a handout. Don't rely on anything but yourself. You have to be your biggest cheerleader. You have to be your biggest fan. You have to be your biggest believer. You have to be your biggest supporter, okay? As long as you got your own back, you are going to be fine and you're going to make it. And you just need to figure out what you need to do to get your hustle on. If you're not hustling, nothing is going to happen. So you have to take action and do. Okay, you guys? And that is just something that I really wanted to make sure I stress to you guys, because it is possible. How bad do you want it? What do you see for yourself? Make a vision board, get to manifesting everything, and just keep these positive thoughts. Envision yourself. If you need to meditate and envision wherever you see yourself. Whatever your goals are, you need to envision that every single day and make sure you do the work to make it happen. But that's it, you guys. I really hope you love this video. And if there's anything else you want me to touch on, let me know, because I will gladly make another video. I'm super excited as I'm breaking out into this industry, and just me being me. I love to give back. I love to teach. I love to share, and I love to inspire. So I'm here for you guys. Let me know if there is another video that you might want to see when it comes to lashing, or when it comes to anything esthetician related, whatever the case may be, because I'm really trying to change up change up the feel, change up the vibe of my channel, because what I do is literally my life and my passion, and that's what I want to put out there, you guys. So you just let me know. Anything beauty related, I got you. But that's it, you guys. You already know, you better like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Leave me lots of love. I truly appreciate all of you guys, and I appreciate all of the love on my last video talking about this. So I look forward to making more if you guys want to see it. All right, y'all. You already know. That's the end of the video. I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl, and I'll see you in my next video.